video, we will be replacing the instrument cluster in this 2003 Toyota Camry. Before beginning this procedure, I do like to make note of the current odometer reading. Here we have 243,068 miles. To begin this, we want to remove our uppermost trim piece behind the steering wheel. We can use a trim removal tool to work that off. And that will reveal 2 Phillips head screws holding this instrument panel in place. And we can then work that instrument panel out. And taking a look at the back side of the instrument panel, we have 2 wiring harnesses that need to be wiggled off. And on the first wiring harness, we have a small tab that needs to be depressed before we can work that off. And the second wiring harness also has a small tab. And we can work that unit out. And I always like to compare my old unit with my new unit just to make sure that they basically look the same. Specifically, we want to make sure that the wiring harnesses are going to be the same. And both of these look the same. So we can work our new unit in place, making sure we seat both of the wiring harnesses securely. And reinstall our 2 Phillips head screws. Followed by that trim piece. We can then cycle the ignition to make sure everything looks like it is working as it should. And if we take a close look at our new odometer, it has 240,834 miles, which is the mileage from the previous vehicle that this was taken out of. You will want to note this in your records.